Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Look what I've got. And I have to say that last time I found really beautiful boots and I will open them today. Sun, it is shining so bright. So do I. Yeah, it is that huge. It is like half of me up to my waist. And I don't know how to open it. Should I stand or sit on my sofa? I'm not really sure. But you know that boots will be very long. You know, I forgot about the gloves and I have to find, I think that nice long and black, and they will nicely match to my outfit today. Maybe I should tell you a little bit about my outfit today because I forgot. I just thinking about this parcel, nothing else. You will see the whole outfit on the side, like always. I know that everyone loves these videos when I'm doing the side things, and this is really cool because it is so hard to just show you in the such small screen the whole outfit because I am that little and everything is so big. What do you think about this? I think that looks so good, and you can try any bracelets. That big heavy bracelets can be black, nice, you know, around, can be plastic, no need to be gold, silver, nothing like this. They can be plastic, and I saw really nice on with Zara, Temu. I saw really nice in the brown color. Just oh my god, you know, bracelets over the trench coat sleeves, so wonderful. And I really love these gloves. I know that they are a little bigger, but this is why they are wider on the on your arms, because you can put the sleeve inside and the gloves over. That's a reason why sometimes gloves are huge. And yeah, we can put any I think that today nice black bracelets or maybe black and white, something like this. We could finish this on the gloves. That could be really nice. My outfit today, it is the white shirt because that's classy thing that we can wear. Nice tie, Katie belt, the croco print. This is not a real crocodile, of course. And we've got the shorts. This is the nice leather shorts which I really love. They are from Zara and I've got them from many years, and I really love these shorts. They are just okay. A little bit baggy, that I really like, and I wish to find very similar one in the brown color. That could be really good. I've got a real leather shorts from Ochnik, but they are a little bit longer and not always looking good. They are good with any longer things, but if I want to wear something high waist, then I love to wear this, and I have to find a similar one in the real leather, so that could be so good. Then I've got my burgundy ties from Calzedonia, and of course the Saint Laurent Vivienne boots. So if you are looking for these boots, they are available everywhere. Just they are slim calves, you know, because I hadn't made them trim. They are just perfect for my calves. If you're looking for a red knee-high boots, they are perfect. And heel, it is quite high, but they are so easy for walking. Really, you don't just, this is the shape and this is what you pay for, because sometimes very cheap boots that are not really good for walking, They may even just damage your feet, but sometimes very expensive boots that are also problematic and not easy if you want to walk in them. But okay, that's enough. Let's go to the unboxing. How to show you this box? Oh, okay. I can feel the box inside. Oh my god, we are in. So that huge box, oh my god, I hope you can hear me. That huge box, it is really big. Then we have, thank you, your mighty Risa. Package has been lovely wrapped by Nelson. Thank you, Nelson. And the smiley face, that's so cute, you know? It's like a really nice people in mighty Risa. It is Chloe. Beautiful box. Just do you know, this box, it is like a mirror. So beautiful, brown color, like patent leather. Okay, time to open the box. I am so afraid to look inside because I am disappointed after Jacquemu's parcel from Mighty Risa. So I don't want to be disappointed with this parcel because sending back it's gonna be a pain because the box is so huge. I love the color. I love it so much. I have these boots in many colors, but for sure in the two colors. One color it is just brown, like my Steven New York boots, that brown color. But the other color it is from the last year, and I saw these boots in the last year, and I've got so many screenshots on my phone with these boots, with the many outfits, and I really love these boots. But I thought, oh, okay, I'm not gonna tell you anymore. Please take care. You know, like you have to take care of your boots, of course. I know that. We have the Chloe beautiful dust bags that they are always useful because, you know, we have to sometimes carry our boots somewhere, so that's good. But you know, that's also a great idea to make, for example, backpack or something. If you have any machine and you can make it, that's really great idea to do something with the dust bags, something more. And oh my god, can you see this? Are they standing? No. Come on, you should. Yeah. I'm proud. They will be big. They are straight boots, as you can see. There is like just straight, but how they are finished around the feet, it is so good, and I really like this heel. This is great everyday boots. They will be a little bit oversized. In the camera, I can see them brown. Maybe I will just came closer to the camera, and they will be more visible. Why they are not standing? Come on. Expensive boots, they should stand. course, they are made in Italy. I've got size 39 because I found information that they are true to size. So we don't have to worry, they are pull on, they have no zip. They've got a really nice detail on the back. Just, I know they will be big, but this is the style, you know. Not all the boots, they have to be like a glove, no. Just some boots, they can be, I will just put them there. Some boots, they can be oversized and that's still okay. Let me show you these boots a little bit closer. I have to say that boots are so beautiful. Let's start from the sole. Sole, it is of course leather, in the beige leather. Heel, you have probably 8 centimeters and it is quite big, but at the same time it is so slim. On the from the back they look like stiletto heel, but now you can see that they are a little bit wider, so they look really incredible. They are a really nice burgundy color, and color it is for me really burgundy. They are nice and burgundy. They are a little bit wide, but like my Amy Paris boots, I have to say that they are incredible and they always just turn heads because they are made from the strong leather, and I know that they are oversized, but sometimes the oversized boots create in your whole outfit. It is all depends which outfit you will pick, but I really love these boots so much to wear them with the, for example, white jeans for the contrast, or I wore the whole brown outfit in Gdańsk, and I think that it was really one of the best of my outfits, and I am so happy. So you can see how beautiful these boots are. They have a beautiful detail on the back, and they have slit. This is what I really love with the boots, when they have something like that on the back. It is a little split that you can just. I saw also these boots that they fit really nice on some legs, and they are sometimes really oversized. I know that on my legs they will be oversized for sure, but anyway, I think that they are so good. Not really heavy. I have to say that leather, it is soft. Let's try. They smell like exactly like the Italian leather. It is just everything made in Italy smells same, just all handbags and boots and everything. So that's interesting. Okay, let's try them on. Let's have a look how they fit. I hope they will be nice and long, and I hope that they will match with my outfit today. So I think that we can finish it with the beige trench coat, and that will be incredible too. After every unboxing, I've got a beautiful mess around me. We have last 5 minutes of the sunshine, I think. So I will be waiting for your comments about these boots. I'm not gonna say anything. Color, it is like, in my opinion, they are burgundy. They are not brown. This is not brown color at all. They are burgundy. Size, I would like to say, it isn't true to size. I could have size 38 for sure. So, you know, it is sometimes, it is maybe all depends from your whole size. Maybe not just the size of the shoes, but oh my god, they are so long. I'm not gonna compare these boots to any of my boots, and like I said, I'm not gonna say my opinion. I will just leave it for you. They are Chloe boots. I saw them already with many influencers, with many YouTube hauls and things like that, and I saw them really often on Instagram, and I have to say that I really fall in love in these boots, and I'm pretty sure that with the trench coat this whole outfit could be amazing. But my trench coats I just put to the cleaner, so I don't have my trench coat today with me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to say, but like I told you, I will leave the comment just for you. So let me know what you think, and I will come back to you with the next video to say, to just maybe read all the comments about these boots, and then I will tell you what I think. For now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Let me know about boots. Maybe just send me any name of the boots, name of the brand, which boots I should try for the next video, maybe next week, next month. I love to try the new models, new brands, new designers. So Chloe, they are my first boots ever, and I always want to try them. Like I said, I dreamed about them last year. A dream come true, but you know, I'm not sure if this is what I want. So thank you so much once again. Please subscribe and please come back tomorrow for the next video. Tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but you will see it. And please remember about my membership offers, and you can find them on YouTube, and you can always find the videos quicker, and some bonuses or something like this. So anyway, thank you so much for each subscriptions. We are 47,000 now, and this is like, oh my god, this is a dream come true. And I wish to myself 50,000 and then 100,000. So please subscribe if you don't, and if you subscribe, thank you so much.